Business is the organized effort of individual to produce and sell for a profit the goods and services that serve society needs. No person or group of persons actual organized American business as we know it today. Rather of the years individual have organized their own virtual business for the one virtual reason. All those individual business and all the international between those business and those customer have given rise to one we call America business. A person with this his or her team, effort and money to start and operate a business is called an entrepreneur. To organize a business, an entrepreneur must combine four kinds of resource: material, human, financial, and information. Material resource include the raw material used in manufacture process as well as building and machinery. Human resource are the people who furnish their labor to the business in return for wages. The financial resource is the money required to pay employees, price material, and generally keep the business operating. And information is the result that tells the makers of the business how effective the other result at big company and outlets. Business are generally of the types manufacturer business or manufacturers are organized to process precious materials into tangible goods, such as deliver truck of tools, serve business product service, such as health or legal advice, and some phrase called middlemen are organized to buy the goods product by manufacturer and the rest them. For example, the general actor company is a manufacturer the products clock radius. The product might be sold the thing with them with the result them to consumers in the retail stores. Consumer are individual who purchase goods or service for their own personal was rather the result them. All the type of business may sell either to other first or to consumer. In both cases, the ultimate objective of every firm must be to satisfy the needs of the customer. People generally don't buy goods and services simple to one thing. They buy products to satisfy particular needs. People rarely buy an automobile solely to store it in garage. They do, however, buy automobiles to satisfy the needs for transportation. Some of us may feel that this needs is best satisfied by an air conditioner BMW with star crystal failure, automatic transmission, power set and windows, and remote control is merged. Or my belief the iPhone torch with a stack C and I radio will do just fine. Both products are available to those we went there along with I with variety of the product that satisfy the needs for transportation when we have lost sight of the consumer needs they are likely to find the corn rock. But when the business, the product and sell goods and service understand the customer needs and work to satisfy those needs. They are usually conceivable In the course of normal operation, a business receives money, sell revenue from its customer in exchange for goods or service. It must also pay out money to cover the various expenses involved in doing business. If the firm sales revenue is greater than its expense, it has earned a profit. So profit is what remains after all business expenses have been deducted from sales revenue. A negative profit, which results with firm expert at guarantee the its sales revenue, is called out loss. The profit earned by business becomes the profit of its owner. So in one sense, profit is the reward or reward. The business owner recall for products, the goods and service the consumer want. Profit is also the payment. The business owner recall produce assuming the considerable risk of ownership. Everyone else employs suppliers and lenders must be paid before the owner, and if there is nothing left over, if there is not profit, there can be no payment to owners. A secured risk the owner runs is the risk of losing whatever they have paid into the business. A business the cannot earn a profit is very likely to fail, in which case the owner lose whatever money, effort, and the time they have invested. For business owner, the challenge of business is to earn a profit in spite of the risk.